fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an unboxing. I'm excited about this one. This is an item that I bought during Diamond Art Club's Black Friday sale. It actually wasn't one of the new Black Friday releases, though. This was actually a kit that had been, I think, released either the week before or a couple of weeks before Black Friday, and I just happened across it. I don't remember seeing it in any of their new releases, but I thought it was really cute, and so I decided that I was going to go ahead and get it. Now, I will say before I get started, apparently they have discontinued this kit, so you can't get it anymore, at least from Diamond Art Club. You may be able to get it on, D-Stash, whatever websites. So I'm going to show you today Enchanted Forest by Saphina Art. I just thought this image was really cute. I really like the little unicorn and all the little kind of glows in the trees and the little squirrels. So yeah, it is 42.6 by 42.6. It says it is a round kit. So we're going to get into it and see what it's like. Now, like I said, this was, I want to say it was a new release just a couple of weeks before Black Friday, so I don't know why it's discontinued already, but I thought it was cute. Okay, so let me open the box here and get out the canvas and the toolkit and all that good stuff. And I actually have to say, this is going to be, I think, my first new kit that may possibly have the new drills. I've sort of been working my way through my kits from my oldest to my newest, and I just decided this one was cute and I wanted to do it. And it's not very big, so it won't take me very long. And so I decided, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So let me open the toolkit. I think I've done one other one where I got like a fancy toolkit. Oh, maybe that was SpongeBob that I'm thinking of. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So we get extra baggies. I won't use those. Oh, look at this adorable little cloud cover minder with her little pink bow. That's so cute. Very cute. I don't know if I'll use it for a cover minder or just decoration, but I like to have cute things sitting around my diamond painting area, so maybe that's what I'll do with that one. But super cute. Okay, so we get their little tray with the stopper, which honestly I don't use, so I'll probably just throw those in my giveaway pile. Heart wax, their heart-shaped wax. Looks like there's 2 pieces in there. Ugh, as I throw them everywhere. 1 second. So 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax, the cover minder, a black scrunchie. I don't know that I've ever seen a black one before. We do get a couple of multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. How interesting. There's no pen. Washi tape. Oh, that's very pretty washi tape. I like that. The little scallop, red scallop. That's very pretty. Interesting. I wonder if I got the bags instead of a pen. Huh. All right, and then we have our little, of course, sticker here that goes in the logbook. I'll be probably putting this in my 2023 logbook because I don't think I will have time to get this one done before 2022 ends. So I'll probably just put it in my 2023 book, and then I'll start keeping track of it there. Okay, and then let's get into everything else. So yeah, let's see what else is in here. Kind of amazed there wasn't a pin in the kit, but we'll see. Okay, so it got a little smushed on this side. Let me unroll this one. It is really so cute. And for me, for a Diamond Art Club, I typically buy so much larger kits. This one was kind of, that was part of the appeal too, that it wasn't quite as large as a lot of the other ones I normally buy. There's our instructions, which I won't use. And then here we have our stickers. So there's a better image of the well, a picture of the image. And yeah, it's just these two. It's a cute little mama unicorn with her baby unicorn. There's a couple of squirrels in the trees. I just thought it was a cute, fanciful image. So we've got all of our pre-cut stickers here. 44 colors. That's actually quite a bit. And it looks like, is that a special shape drill? Or is that an AB? Why is a Y198? Ooh, interesting. Oh, it's a quad. I can see it right there. It's a quad AB. How fun. I didn't even know that. Okay, some stuff on the back of this canvas. Let me show it to you guys. Ta-da! Wow. Okay, so 43 colors. That is quite a bit. Oh, the quads go in the center of all of the lights. That's fun. Actually, that's pretty interesting. My life weirdly works that way with timing, because I was actually just looking at some of these quad cubes and slivers on one of the places that you can buy diamond painting drills, and I can never remember which one. There's 2 or 3 of them, and they have similar names, and I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, I was actually looking at those, so it'll be interesting that I get to try some of these out. So yeah, not a very big canvas at all. Typical Diamond Art Club, nice clear symbols. There's a little bit of a pucker there where the canvas isn't quite, the cover sheet isn't quite touching the canvas. Let me smooth that out a little bit. But symbols nice and clear. No 310 in this one, you guys. How interesting is that? I was looking at the T's and these other colors thinking, oh, well, I would expect those to be black, but no, 3371. So that's also interesting. So you can see we've got the one squirrel here, and there's another squirrel here, and then we've got all these kind of little fairy lights, magical lights. And then you get the mama unicorn and the little baby here kind of looking up at the squirrels as they get a drink. Yeah, interesting. Enchanted Forest. Interesting that the T is left off. Oh, you guys can't see that. So here down at the bottom, Enchanted Forest, the T got left off. 17 by 17 inches, 42.6 by 42.6. So let's measure. So it's actually over 42 and a half, a little under 17. It's more like 17 and 3 or 16 and 3/4. Let's measure it this way and see. Yeah, that one is a little less than 42 and a half centimeters, and it's, yeah, 16 and a quarter or 16 and 3/4 inches. So pretty close. I'm just looking at all of these symbols. I mean, it's Diamond Art Club, so I'm going to assume that everything is going to be nice and clear. Now, this is a round kit, not a square. So I'm really excited to try out these little quad cubes. So I'm sure, yes, it's nice and sticky. And one of the things I do like about Diamond Art Club is their glue rarely runs over a lot. So even if you have to washi tape it, sometimes you get those kits where, there's a good almost half an inch or more sometimes of overhang of the glue. Okay, so 44 colors. Let's dig in here and see what they are. This one's going to be so cute. I'm so excited. I'm actually really glad I got this one, even though it's discontinued. So there's the quad cube ABs. Not very many of them, but very cute. Okay, and then let's look at all of our drills. Oh, I should have looked. It looks like there's 3 ABs, so we'll find those as we go. So, okay, we've got purple. Why do these drills look so much smaller to me? Interesting. I don't know why, they just seem so tiny. Are those different? No, they're the same size. Must just be my eyes. There's a dark, very dark blue, kind of a pale sky blue, a kind of a lavender color, a dark purple. There's our first AB, which is white. I'm going to dump all these off here. Just a second. Let me move all these around. So there's another light purple, a blue, kind of a cornflower blue. That one looks like it has a bit of static. Another purple. That's kind of a bluish purple. A violet, a pink, and then we get two different shades of like a very pale sky blue and then a sky blue. We get another purple, kind of a mustard color, a darker turquoise, ooh, a very pretty kind of dark berry red, and a slightly darker mustard color. I'm going to assume those get used in the lights here. And then our second string of lights here. Oh, so we've got a couple of some big bags here. So we've got a dark blue, a very dark brown, and another dark blue. Although it does look like some of these have some static in there, so I'll have to see when I do the kit up. Probably need to have some dryer sheets handy. So we've got some pink. Ooh, some very pretty purple ABs. Look at those. Some darker pink, a brown, a light blue, a red, a berry pink, kind of a dull brown, a peach, a pale blue, kind of a very light caramel color, dusky pink, very pale blue, and another very pale blue. This one is slightly more green to the tinge to it than this one. A gray, a dark blue, a brick red, a very dark gray. Ooh, I don't think I've ever seen this AB before. A very light, kind of pinky purple AB, and then a dark turquoise. So yeah, so there's all the drills. Guys, I'm excited about this just because it's small, which means it'll be completed pretty quickly. I can't wait to try out these quad ABs. I didn't even know Diamond Art Club did special drills like this, so that's fun. And I'm also excited to see, like I said, this is one of the probably new, well, it is one of the newest kits that I've purchased. Like I said, I don't know exactly when it came out, and I can't check now that it's discontinued, but I'm crossing my fingers. That means it's going to have the new drills in it. So yeah, super excited for this one. Okay, so that is the Enchanted Forest by Saphina Art. So you guys will be seeing the kit up of this one as well. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.